Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Twitter. To know how to find the solution about Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to you will enter to the app of Twitter. Here we click on the window of first stop, as you see, and we click here. Then we will enter to storage. We will click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. And after that, of all these steps, if it's not working this step, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.